Oh yeah, this is... ah!
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes,
Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel. For all you new subscribers, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I want to get this Fibro fam jam growing. Anyway, I did a river walk yesterday. Yeah, I was really depressed. Had to force myself to walk. The sidewalks were slippery. I wiped out about 4 or 5 times. So then I walked on the road because that was a safer bet. So yeah, I'm going to share that with you. I can't point out enough how much fresh air, sunshine, nature can really help your mood, and exercise, obviously. Just going for that long walk, fresh air, the sunshine, getting back to nature, clearing the cobwebs out of my head did a world of good. So yeah, anyway, here's the video, and I hope you all are doing well. Hey guys, I'm almost at the river. It's been slippery on the sidewalk, so I'm walking on the road. It's -7. The sun's out. Beautiful. Still have tons of snow, as you can see. But really enjoying my walk. See ya at the river. We are at the river. Finally. After slipping and sliding and killing myself at least a dozen times. It's windy, it's sunny. Now this will be fun. Probably gonna fly down there on my butt. Whew. Still frozen. Good walk though. So hopefully I don't slip. Oh God. Hey, I could walk across the river. I don't know if I want to though. So beautiful. God, what a beautiful day. Looks like people are crossing the river, skiing on the river still. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm gonna snowball down here. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. Hear the birds. It's gorgeous. And that, whatever you're hearing, that tinkling is my water. There we go. We are here. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is so worth it. Absolutely worth it. There we go. See the bird's nest up there. It's too bright, I can't tell if I'm focusing on it properly. There we go. It's gorgeous out. Made it! Yay! Now for some water. Okay guys, so I thought I'd go sit on that branch over there. But the snow, as you can see, is pretty damn deep. So, you know, it's oh my god. Maybe I'll make it over there. Would be nice if I could. Gonna keep trying. I am almost there. I'm scared I'm gonna sink up to my hips right here, but I guess we'll see. There we go. Oh yeah, this is shit. Ah, I'm almost there now. I made it, guys. I made it. Woo. I'm gonna have a sit down now. I am sitting. Here I am sitting. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. Not the most comfortable branch, but okay guys, I'm here. I'm sitting. Gonna take a break and then go back, but I'm gonna enjoy the scenery. Thanks for coming along. Hey guys, I'm back home. Didn't want to go on the walk, but I am so glad I did. Just spending time in nature, it helps. It's invigorating. Frick. My mouth isn't working clearly. Maybe it's because it's bananas. I just had one. So yeah, I'm just having some more water. And 5 bean salad. And then I'm gonna go take a shower. And I'm probably gonna take a cold shower. It's gonna end up being cold. Because I don't want to flare. So I hope you're... What day is it? Tuesday? I hope I'm right. I hope it's going well. It was -7 when I went for the walk. It's -2 right now. Sunny. Just gorgeous day out. So what are you doing for yourself today? Let me know below. And remember, be your own superhero.